It's an overcast day on the First Coast. It's an AFC South rivalry, the Indianapolis Colts and the homestanding Jacksonville Jaguars. There's a lot of things you need, Jeff. Right now, this team needs a win, just a win in the worst way.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Right? Yeah, let's go, John.
Have a great day.
You got 5 games to get your pride back. You got 5 games to prove to your brother you that guy. How much I got in me? Just a little bit more. You get what I'm talking about? I ain't tired today. I ain't worried about it today. What I got to give today. You get what I'm talking about? Let's do it, now.
Dropping is Andrew Luck. Looks to throw, fires to the right side. That ball is intercepted. DJ Hayden went up and got it. Now he stands up, he's going to run it back along the far sideline. Knocked out of bounds just shy of the 30-yard line. Great work by DJ Hayden. He picks off Andrew Luck and is knocked out of bounds at the 28-yard line.
Nice play by DJ Hayden.
Nice job. Nice job.
That's one for the day. That's one for the day.
Luck drops the throw. Ball's knocked out of his hands by Unique Ngakoue. They dive for it, and I think Luck got on it. That's a sack for Unique. He knocked the ball out, but Andrew Luck was able to recover it back at his 11-yard line. The ball is between the 1 and the 2, about at the 1.5-yard line. 4th and goal from there. Luck, the quarterback, rolls to his left. It's a shovel pass to Wilkins, the running back, and he is going to be tackled shy of the goal line. The ball's going to go over on downs. A great stand by the Jaguars defense.
Way to step up. Okay, good job. Those guys will play smart.
I'll bet it's a sneak. Luck under center. It is not. It's a jet sweep, and the Jags knock the ball out of there. The Jags pick up the fumble. What a job by this Jaguars defense. Pressed again, asked to stand up again. They stand up again. Miles Jack recovers it at the 40-yard line of the Jaguars. What a job by this Jaguars defense yet again. Can the offense help them out here a little bit? Kessler throws it underneath to Dante Moncrief. Dante's got it at 35 to the 30, inside the 25. Nice job, a little crossing route. And Dante did a lot on his own after the catch. That'll be a first down near the 23-yard line, possibly the 22 of the Indianapolis Colts. Lambeau on to hopefully score the first points of this game. 30-yarder from the right hash. Josh kicks it up. Josh knocks it through, and the Jaguars take the lead on a 30-yard field goal by Josh Lambeau. Dropping the throw is Luck. Lots of time this time. Pump fake. Now scrambles to his left. He is hit and sacked by Ngakoue. That is a coverage sack, if ever there was one, back at the 43-yard line of the Indianapolis Colts. That will end the half. Jacksonville 3, Indianapolis nothing. Dropping his Luck to throw. Pump fake. Steps up, is hit. He's going to be sacked. Calais Campbell just wraps those big arms around him and holds him until they whistle it dead, then kind of pats him on the head. That is a sack for Calais inside the 15-yard line.
Hey, that's a hell of a rush right there.
That's cover sack. I'll take all day, though.
Do it. Keep on, baby.
Drops the throw. Steps up now. Fires as he's hit. Caught by D.D. Westbrook. First down and more into the Colts territory. Broke a tackle. Got it inside the 40-yard line. Nice job by D.D. Westbrook. After the catch, he got it to the 38-yard line of Indianapolis. 3rd down and 13 from the 41, and he drops the throw. Checks it down to T.J. Yeldon. T.J. to the 30-yard line of the Colts. T.J. lowers his shoulder. He's got to have a first down. Nice work by T.J. Yeldon on the check down from Cody Kessler. He'll have it to the 26-yard line. Out of the hold of Logan Cook. Cook puts it down. Josh kicks it up. And the kick is good. A 37-yard field goal extends the lead. Jags lead at 6-0 against the Colts. Fourth and a yard. Play fake. He's hit. He's hit. He's sacked. What a job. They blitzed him. They got him. What a job by this Jaguars defense. Ronnie Harrison sacked him back at the 29-yard line. 3rd and 6 from the 30. 9 seconds to play. Jags are clinging to a 6-0 lead here at the bank. Dropping his luck. Goes to the right side. You called it, Jeff. He gets out of bounds. Now they say he stays inbounds. He is inbounds. 2, 1. The game is over. The game is over. They tackled him inbounds, and the Jags have won it. Oh, boy, do they need this. The Jags have won it 6-0. The player was tackled inbounds. That is Eric Swope, the tight end. And the Jags finally have won after 7 losses in a row. They beat their division rival, the Colts, 6-0 at TIAA Bank Field.
Boy, and what a play by Jalen Ramsey.
Dub. Long time. It's been a long time, man. Enjoy it.
That's a shutout. That's a shutout. That's great stuff. That is rare. Smooth. You played well today, big dog. Nice going.
Hits the damn shutout. That's unbelievable. That's awesome. That's awesome. Hell of a job. Hey, we've worked long and hard for this. Enjoy it. Congratulations. Hey.
Jags on 3. 1, 2, 3.